Hello everyone, let's work on week 2, skills 1, page 3. Question number 7. Which statement about the number 85 is true? So let me analyze my information. Which statement about the number 85 is true? So I know that I'm going to have 3 false statements and I'm going to have 1 true statement, and that is my answer. That's what I'm looking for. So let's look at our answer choices. Answer choice A. It is even. Oh, so they're going to be asking me if it's even or odd. So let me look at my number 85, and I know I'm going to look at the ones place, and I know that I need my Leo. So let me go ahead and write my Leo. And 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. I look for my number 5 on my Leo, and it's odd. I know the number 85 is odd. And I know I'm looking for 1 true statement. Letter A. It is even. Oops. No, the number 85 is not even. So that cannot be my answer. Letter B. It is even. Nope. That is not my answer because this is false and this is false. Letter C. It is odd. Maybe. Because the 8 plus 5 equals 13. And 13 is an odd number. Even if I'm not quite sure, I'm going to leave it as a maybe because it's odd. And I still have 1 more answer choice. It is odd because it cannot be evenly divided by 2. Oh, I remember that. I remember that from my first page, that was one of the reminders I got. A number is divisible by 2 if it can be divided by 2 with nothing left over. And I did say that those were my even numbers. So let me see. Let me find out. It is odd because it cannot be evenly divided by 2. I want to find out. I am going to divide 85 by 2. How many times does 2 go into 8 without going over? 4. 4 times 2 is 8, and 8 minus 8 equals 0. But I bring down my 5. How many times does a 2 go into the 5 without going over? 2, because 2 times 2 equals 4, and 5 minus 4 equals 1. So I do have 1 left over. So letter D is true. It's odd because it cannot be divided evenly by 2. And I found my answer. My answer is letter D. Let's go to number 8. Miss Evans, Miss Mendoza, and Miss Wells and Mr. Thomas live in the same town. They all live in houses with even numbers. Which list shows only the house numbers for Miss Evans, Miss Mendoza, Miss Wells, and Mr. Thomas? Okay, let me analyze my information. I have some people that live in the same town, and they all live in houses with even numbers. They all live in houses with even numbers. I have my Leo up there. I know I am going to be looking at the ones place to find out, to determine if my numbers are odd or even, and I am looking for even numbers. Okay, so I am going to circle my even numbers. Let me look at number 4. Number 4, I go to my Leo. Let me use a different color highlighter. I go to my Leo, and number 4 is even. Number 7, I find it on my... Okay, give me a chance. There. I find it on my Leo, and number 7 is odd. I look at number 5. Number 5, find it on my Leo, and it is odd. Number 8, I find it on my Leo, and it is even. Number 6, on my Leo, and it is even. Number 8, I find it on my Leo, and it is even. And number 1, find it on my Leo, and it is odd. So it tells me that which list shows only the house numbers for the people that live in this town. So I know that this cannot be it, this cannot be it, and this cannot be it. So my numbers are 304, 318, 406, and 398. Okay? So letter F. Let's look at letter F. Letter F starts with 307. Is it on my list? No. So this cannot be my answer. Letter G starts with 304. Yes, it's there. 398. Yes, it's there. 401. No, it's not there. Letter H. 401. Nope. Letter J. 304. Yes. 318. Yes. 398. Yes. 406. Yes. My answer choice is letter J.